Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I'm your grade 5 English literature teacher, Miss Anila. Remember in the last topic, in the last number 1, Bad Tom, we studied that Tom is a very naughty boy, and he has got his aunt Polly and his sister Sid and his his brother Sid and his sister Mary, and he lives with his family, but he keeps on bothering Aunt Polly. He keeps on doing naughty things. So once he didn't listen to his aunt and he ate all the jam from the cupboards. So for punishing that, Aunt Polly just gave him a punishment, and the punishment was that he has to do work on Saturdays. And then he went out, he had a fight with a boy, and he had a very bad fight with the boy. He beat the boy very badly, and then he came back home, and Aunt Polly was very angry. So after that, when we go ahead, we come to the next day when he was given the punishment of painting the fence, and it was a very big fence, 30 yards long and 9 feet high, and his punishment was very big. So he was doing the punishment, and he was very angry because he wanted to have a very good holiday on Saturday, but because he was punished, so he has to paint the fence. Now then Jim came. Jim was a boy who was going to fill the bucket with water from the well. So he asked Jim that if he could do the painting, and in place he could do the Jim's job of putting the water from the well, but Jim said no. And he also offered him a white colored ball glass also, but Jim said no because he was afraid of Aunt Polly will just beat him. So then as he was doing the painting of his fence, then came another boy, Ben Rogers, who was eating an apple, and he also stood and he was watching what Tom was doing. So he was watching, but Tom didn't answer because he wanted to complete his work on time and then go out for play. So but he was wanting that Ben could give him his apple, but he didn't give any apple to him. And then the boy Ben Rogers was watching. Tom was doing the painting of the fence, and he was becoming very much interested in painting. So Ben Rogers asked Tom that if he could help him in painting. This much we have studied today, and then I gave you a homework, and the homework was that you have to make the index page in which you have to write the adventures of Tom Sawyer, today's date, and the first topic, Bad Tom, and then today's date again. Then on the next page you will make a title page of Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Then third page you will find out the meanings of stared, scratch, whisper, either, forgotten. Then I explained you reference to the context when you were given a sentence. What have you done? What have you been doing in there? Now who said these lines? Of course Aunt Polly. And to whom these lines are said? Tom. And what were the circumstances? It means what happened that Aunt Polly said these lines when Aunt Polly caught Tom. And what was Tom doing? Eating jam from the cupboard and making a mess of his clothes. So when Aunt Polly saw Tom doing this, then at that time Aunt Polly said these lines. Now I have given two more reference to the context that you have to do yourself as a homework. He's played a trick so many times on me, like that. Who said this? Aunt Polly, of course. And to whom is he saying? To whom is he saying? Is she saying? She is saying to herself. She is saying to herself. And the circumstances are when Aunt Polly tried to beat Tom because he was not listening to him. He was eating the jam from the cupboard. So Tom just tricked Aunt Polly and run away from there. At that time, Aunt Polly said these lines. The second is now that will teach you. This Tom, who said these? This Tom is saying, and to whom? He is saying to the boy that he met him in the street. And what was the circumstances when both had a fight? Tom and the other boy had a fight. At that time, Tom just sat down on his body of the boy, and at that time Tom said these lines to the boy. Thank you very much. I hope you can complete this homework. See you next time. Khuda Hafiz.